This is the bottom-up series. So I'm going to show you what they look like and then break them down. So with bottom up, the setup is essential. If you don't get the bell in the correct position from the ground, once you get into the clean position or the rack position, you're just going to end up chasing the bell around and never really get a good press or a good squat or really feel like you're balanced and it's working well for you. So the setup is a little different than a regular clean or in the how we usually hold the bell. Usually hold the bell with the wrist nice and straight. This one is your wrist is bent like you're holding a platter, all right? So you're gonna take that platter feeling and then grab onto the bell and hold it. Don't let the bell move in your hand as you clean, as you swing back. And then into the clean position. The bottom up clean is really good for regular cleans. And then from here, you're just gonna press. Or you can squat. And then squat press. These can also be done with two bells. Right? There's the bottom up series.